Well, another epic day. Freaking day 2. We might have a day 3 in us. Freaking tomorrow might be a fast one though. This is what Byron looks like taking off socks. This is what Elias looks like putting his flies back in his box. The Kurupt Hawaiians. This is what I look like all the time. Sometimes. Here we go, guys. Got him. Oh, ho! Again. Going. Yeah. Holy shit. Ah! I just said slack the line so I don't lose them. Fuck. Whoo! Fucking, he went over every reef, bro. Yeah. Not bad, bro. Oh, the Kurupt Hawaiian. There you go, got him.
You weren't kidding him, I'll just leave that. Because he fucking took it. And I was like, I didn't quite know what you meant when you said that. How the fuck am I gonna feel it?
There you go, buddy. Oh, Byron. There you go, man.
Where was that stuff when I hooked it? Oh, he just spooked on off that reef.
Good job, buddy. I've yet to get on the board, but this is Byron's.
Yeah, there's been lack of effort.
Well, I was too stoked about the 13 pounder I just caught.
Yeah, you're being a cheerleader today.
I am the freaking cheerleader today. I'm making videos.
He came right to my legs, and now he's trying to.
Elias just hooked into a freaking massive fish out here, and it's taking him quite some time to bring him in. I mean, it's big. Look at this thing. Look at the girth on that thing. Oh my goodness. How many people at home seen bones like that? Kurupt Hawaiian, that's the fly you want. Everybody knows that.
I'll let you run a little bit.
Elias is being super gentle with this fish because this might be his personal best.
That, and I haven't been landing a lot lately. Been losing them.
Oh my goodness. What? Bro, he's just not ready, bro.
Oh, yes.
Big fish.
Looked like it landed.
So over the shoulder technique.
Yep.
Ooh. Oh, that thing is huge.
Oh. Come on.
It's a 10 pounder.
I'm gonna dry land somewhere. Drag this bug up. Nope, you're not giving.
Bruh. This is such a huge fish, guys. This is a freaking monster. Holy mackerel. Oh my gosh, dude! Holy shnikes! Oh, look at this! What? Bro, that thing is huge!
Cousin, you go.
No? Got him. You got him.
Close one and caught it hard, but I got him.
Yeah, I see him.
Oh shit. Yeah, I'm gonna boat.
No, it's just, yeah. There.
Everything I could to muscle that fish away from them when he was
Let me get a fish.
Oh, bro. This fish swam from the happy place.
Yeah, dude. There you go. He ate it. Oh! Bro, I saw him, his mouth open. What? You don't want to get on that brain coil. Ah, that's a tough one.
I thought maybe school go a little closer. Get away with it. Honestly, maybe they
Oh, I see some bones up here to the left in that sand. Oh!
He saw us.
Yeah. He was going for the fly and then he saw us, bro.
Nobody even moved. He was just like, oh, right there, oh, fuck no. Nice one.
Yeah, we're in the zone.